สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Sophie. We're gonna make some paper to airplane.
ยังไม่เปลี่ยนชุดทำงานเลยนะคะเลิกงานวันนี้เราจะมาวันนี้แม่จะมาสอนโซฟีทำพับกระดาษนะคะaeroplane นะคะ
It's no what?
Yeah อย่างแรกเลยนะคะ first
Oh, can I have paper?
Yeah you can have that one first look at mommy what we have to do first put this one together like this ทำเป็นรูป
Wait, mommy, wait.
arrow นะคะ
Wait, mommy.
You do on here then on the hard one look yeah nearly actually put this one in the middle first put like that together look yeah come on make it hard like that make sure it no like this look so like this put your hand กรีดนะคะกรีดภาษาอังกฤษว่ายังไงกรีดหลังจากนั้น after that that's it look at mommy we gonna put it like that no we want to have a gap look see there
Yeah.
look you better have a gap just like this put it down here
Like that. Like that.
yes I put on here look the gap there we leave the gap like this there put your hand like this put your finger like this make it sharp นะคะ
Look at them.
that's it after that put like this in the middle halfway put until there
Like that.
until halfway look halfway this the line yeah and another side do the same นะคะ
I can't do it.
you can
Oh, look.
no just like that look เดี๋ยว wait for mommy first เดี๋ยวนะคะ
It looks like a sailor ship.
no not yet
Down the sea. Down
วันนี้เราเป็น black and white นะคะ
Then what do we do?
เหมือนหนังเก่าไหมฮะเหมือนหนังเก่า
Then do we go
no
that
no
way?
no after that we flip this one up พ่อไปรับแมทธิวซ้อมจุดจีสุนะคะแม่เลิกงานค่ำเหนื่อยเลยไม่ไปวันนี้ not yet yeah after we do like this แล้วเราก็พับครึ่งนะคะ fold it that way are you fold it come on then fold it sit it up properly and show friends how you do it
That way?
yeah after that we do like this halfway like this
Thanks, mommy.
show friend now it's done now
It's that way and that way. Do we need to bend the wings like?
yeah
Oh, we're done.
we done now
Look. Okay.
I can't see you
Oh wait. No, this was it.
that's it เรียบร้อยแล้วค่ะสวัสดีค่ะโซ
She already had.